Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to open a Halifax account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to create a Halifax account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address halifax.com like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Halifax itself, and you can see over here guys. Now in order to register an account of the Halifax Bank online from your computer, you can either click on the register button at the top right corner of the screen, or over here which also says the register now at the bottom left corner of the screen. When we scroll down, you can see guys, and with that being said, let's click on the register now button, and we'll be taken to this page, which is the registration page of the Halifax. Now in order to sign up for an account, you'll be required to enter your title over here, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, like this. And after you have entered these credentials, either you will want to enter your postcode over here if you live on UK, or if you don't live in the UK, you can simply click on this button or this checkbox where it says I don't live in the UK. And with that being done guys, let's accept these cookies. You can see if you have already have a Halifax account, you can directly sign into your account by choosing your account type from over here. With that being said guys, after entering your credentials over here, simply click on the continue button available over here at the bottom of the page, and after that you'll be required to go through this process which says the sign in details, confirm it's you, and all done. You will be required to go through these phases, and when you accomplish all the credentials required by the Halifax by going through these steps, your account will be ready. And guys, this is how you sign up for Halifax account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.